Along the cabin aisle, we'll illuminate in darkness and will guide you to the nearest exit in an emergency. There are 4 main doors, 2 at the front of the cabin, 1 left and 1 right, and 2 at the rear of the cabin, 1 left and 1 right. There are 4 overwing exits in the center of the cabin, 2 left and 2 right. Please take a moment to note the nearest exit to you, which may be behind you. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle. To secure, pull on the loose end of the strap, and to open, lift the buckle cover. In the event of a sudden loss of cabin pressure, individual oxygen masks will drop automatically from the panel above your head. If this happens, remain seated. Pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Don't worry if the bag does not inflate. Oxygen is flowing. To secure the mask, pull one end of the strap provided. Adults traveling with young children, please attend to your own mask first. Your life jacket is stowed in a pocket beneath your seat or in the panel above your head. In the unlikely event of landing in water, remove the jacket from its packet and place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist, clip at the front and secure by pulling on the loose end of the strap as the crew are now demonstrating. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation or deflation and a light to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket inside the cabin, as to do so will impede your exit. Further information may be found on the safety card, which is displayed within the area you are seated. Your captain invites you to read this card carefully before departure. Before departure, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, tray table is in the upright and locked position, armrests down and window blinds open. We recommend for your comfort and safety that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight. There is a call bell, reading light and fresh air vent in the panel above your head. Laptops and electronic devices may be used on board once we are airborne and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. For devices using a SIM card, flight mode must be selected prior to departure. All electronic devices must be switched off for takeoff and landing. We would like to remind you that smoking is not permitted and toilets are fitted with smoke alarms. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. We invite you to sit back, relax and enjoy your flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd once again like to remind passengers that today your life jackets can be found stowed in the package in the panel overhead. Also, to comply with safety regulations, we will very shortly dim the cabin lights. If you wish to continue reading, you'll find a reading light in the panel overhead. Thank you.